3號強風信號現正生效。喺午夜12點，颱風麥德姆集結喺香港之西南偏南大約350公里，即係北緯19.3度、東經113.3度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約25公里，橫過南海北部。過去幾個鐘頭，麥德姆繼續穩定地移向雷州半島一帶，本港多處吹強風，離岸同高地間中吹烈風。按照現時預測，麥德姆會喺星期日凌晨至朝早最接近本港，喺本港西南大約300公里外掠過。除非與麥德姆相關嘅烈風區更為接近珠江口，否則本港普遍持續吹烈風嘅機會較低。3號強風信號將會至少維持至到星期日中午12點。受到麥德姆嘅雨帶影響，本港星期日初時間中有狂風驟雨、雷暴同猛烈陣風，海有大浪同湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊，停止水上活動。喺尋晚10點半至到11點半，天文台錄得昂坪、大老山同長洲泳灘最高持續風速分別係每小時87、73同69公里。最高陣風分別係每小時124、95同90公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. At midnight, Typhoon Matmo was estimated to be about 350 kilometers south-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 19.3 degrees north, 113.3 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 25 kilometers per hour, crossing the northern part of the South China Sea. In the past few hours, Matmo continued to move steadily towards the vicinity of Leizhou Peninsula. Local winds are strong over many places, with occasional gales offshore and on high ground. According to the present forecast, Matmo will be closest to Hong Kong in the small hours and the morning of Sunday, skirting more than 300 kilometers to the southwest of the territory. Unless its gale force winds get closer to the Pearl River estuary, the chance of sustained gale force winds generally over Hong Kong is relatively low. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force at least until noon on Sunday. Under the influence of the rain bands of Matmo, there will be occasional squally showers, thunderstorms, and violent gusts at first on Sunday. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. At between 10:30 and 11:30 last night, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Tate Cairn, and Chung Chau Beach were 87, 73, and 69 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 124, 95, and 90 kilometers per hour respectively.